Hello? English tuition?
Yes, English classes.
Uh,
Who am I speaking to?
huh?
What is your name, please?
I Shashi.
Shashi? Shashi, what can I do for you?
How to join class?
Do you also struggle to make a confident telephone conversation in English? If yes, I'm going to share some sentences with you which you can definitely use while talking on the phone in English. So here it goes. Number 1. Always start the telephone conversation by exchanging pleasantries like hi, hello, good morning, which should immediately be followed by your own introduction. This is a definite flaw which many people have, is that they forget to introduce themselves and directly ask something like this: good morning, can I talk to so and so? This is incorrect. What you need to do is, you need to say, hello, this is Aparna Bapat. May I talk to Rahul Sharma, please? Next, when you ask for the person, make sure you're very polite. And by that, I mean make use of words like may and please. May I talk to Rahul Sharma, please? This please at the end and may at the beginning are very important to set a very polite tone for the conversation. Let me give you one more example. So instead of may, you can also use the word could. Always remember that instead of can and will, if you use could and would, your language sounds more polite. So for example, instead of saying, can I speak to Rahul Sharma please? It's better if you say, could I speak to Rahul Sharma please? So could makes your language even more polite. The next step is to state with clarity the purpose of your call. For example, you can say something like, I'm calling to inquire about the English language classes at your academy. Or you can say something like, I'm calling to discuss the new proposal with your manager. Or you can say something like, I'm calling to inform you about the meeting at 4 p.m. today. So state the purpose of your call. Many times you can't hear what the other person is saying and you have to ask the person to repeat. So how do you handle such technical issues or misunderstandings? Again, it has to be done with the right choice of words, use polite language. So to give you an example, you can say something like, I'm sorry, but your voice is cracking. Or you can say, I'm sorry, could you please repeat what you said? Don't ever say repeat again. It's wrong grammar, it's wrong English. To repeat means to say it again. So don't say repeat again, please. That's wrong English. So what you can say is, excuse me, could you repeat what you said, please? I would like to share one important tip with you. When you're talking on the phone, many people think that you just need to listen. But if you're just listening, the other person wouldn't know whether you've understood what he or she has said. So you have to keep responding to show your attentiveness. You have to use fillers like, okay, all right, yes, I understand. These words are going to be a clue for the other person to understand that you are following what they are saying. Now, how to end this conversation? So always end on a positive note and you have to be very courteous while doing it. Courteous means polite. I have seen many people end very abrupt and they just end the phone without saying anything. So what you should say is, thanks for your time, or I appreciate your time, thanks for calling me. Or you can say something like, let's talk soon, let's catch up soon. Or you can also add an action point, a concrete action point. You can say something like, okay, so I will see you next week. Or you can say something like, all right, that was a good discussion. I hope to see you tomorrow. So you have to end on a positive and courteous note. For more such tips, join our English language courses at Professor Bapat Academy of English. Like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Enjoy English!